Hi, it's Cindy from Striven. Today we'll be reviewing vendors and specifically adding vendors to your Striven system. Some of the highlights we'll cover today are contact information, vendor information, industry for a vendor, referral source, and assignments. So let's get started on our journey inside Striven.
So there's a few different ways in which you can add vendors to your system. One way is to go to Vendors, to your list, and select Add Here. My favorite way is through the Quick Add. So our Quick Add is a quick way to add different entities into Striven. So we'll go to Vendors and choose Add Vendor there. This is the Add Customer Vendor screen. So you would enter in any information pertinent to that customer or vendor. So today we're discussing vendors. So we have vendor checked off here. The information in this contact info box is the information for the contact within that company. So you would just enter name, their title, their phone number, which you can designate as a home, mobile, work, or fax number, in addition to being able to add more numbers or add more email addresses if you would like. The email address would go here. You can designate whether or not it's an individual or consumer account, which would mean that they are not a company, but an individual. You can also choose to send them a welcome email. So what that will do is give them instructions on how to log into our partner portal. Here is the name of their company. Again, check off vendor, since they are a vendor. You can choose whether or not they are a subcontractor or eligible for a 1099. Here, for status, are they a prospective vendor, an active vendor? I'll choose active. You can select a category here if you would like, which you can customize within the company settings in Striven. You can also enter a customer or vendor number. If left blank, it will be a system-generated number. The employer identification number would go here. The website would be listed here, along with the option to view the website in a different tab if you select this option. The address you can enter and choose search, which will search Google Maps for an address that comes up through Google. So I'll select here. You can also then choose to edit the address, replace it with a new address, view sports in that location, or view weather in that location. Here you can enter a phone number with the option to add more numbers and select whether it's a home, mobile, work, or fax. You can add in any type of description here with a preview option and an advanced editor option. This checkbox here is to check for duplicates on save. This is to ensure that you don't have multiples of the same vendor within the system. Up at the top here, you can choose the appropriate industry for the vendor, the referral source, which is how they heard about you, which is also customizable within the company settings. So in this example, they were referred to us by American Water, and the referring contact was Peter Bloom. I'll remember to send Peter an email to thank him. For assignments, I'm also going to assign Wellington Enterprises to American Water, since American Water uses them regularly. I also have the option of having this assignment visible on the partner portal, which will mean that Wellington Enterprises and Jason Wellington will be able to see that they're assigned to American Water on our portal. When I'm complete, I can either save and add an opportunity, close, which I wouldn't want to do unless I was completely canceling, or save and close. So we'll select that, and that'll bring us back to our vendors list.